Welcome to the short tutorial on what to do if you need to register for a placeholder class as part of your guided registration. Guided registration is a support tool in My CSULB Student Center that helps you choose required courses for your first semester. When you enroll, guided registration will personalize your course options based on your major or pre-major requirements and any placement test results. On rare occasions, all class options for your guided registration math and/or English requirements may be full when you go to register. When this happens, you will need to register for a placeholder class or Section 9.9 to complete your enrollment. The placeholder class allows you to temporarily fulfill a guided registration requirement so that you may register for your other classes. Section 9.9 placeholder classes for guided registration English and math classes are only available when all other sections are full. Remember, a Section 9.9 placeholder class is temporary and not considered a real class. It is 0 units and does not affect your tuition and fees. If you need to register for a Section 9.9 placeholder class, an alert will appear in your guided registration instructions and will tell you which specific placeholder class to enroll in. Enter the class number in the Enter Class NBR field and select Enter. The placeholder class information will appear on the next page. You'll notice that the days and times, room, and instructor are all to be announced. Since this is not a real class, this information is not included. Select the Next button to continue. The placeholder class will now be in your shopping cart, and you can continue adding your other classes. Once you add all your classes to your shopping cart, select Proceed to Step 2 of 3 and follow the instructions to finish your registration. If your required guided registration class has spaces available in the future, you will receive an email with instructions to drop your placeholder class and add the new class. If spaces don't become available, you will need to register for your required class the following semester. Remember, you may only enroll in the special Section 9.9 placeholder class for a required course if there are no seats available in any other class. Even if an open class does not align with your schedule, you will need to enroll in that required class as it is the only option available. You may be able to swap to a different class later. For more information and support regarding guided registration, please visit csulb.edu/guided registration.